Why entrepreneurship beats government job in 2025. Dangote and Otedola's secret. Why entrepreneurship beats government jobs in 2025. Dangote and Otedola's secret. Let me begin with a serious question that every youth needs to ask. If government jobs were really the best part of success, or the best path to success, then why are the richest and most successful people in Nigeria working for the government? Think about it. Have you ever seen Aliko Dangote sitting in a government office? Have you ever seen Femi Otedola filling forms, waiting to be posted, or depending on a monthly salary? No, and that is the point. These men didn't wait for government. They created their own path. They built business. They solved problems. And today, they are not just wealthy, they are also powerful, respected, and impactful. So, today, I'm here to show you why having or starting your own job, that is entrepreneurship, is far better than waiting for or working in a government job, especially in Nigeria in 2025 and beyond. And to make it real, we will also dive into it and share some things, life history or life secrets of Dangote and Otedola in this video. We should learn their secrets, hear true story from regular Nigeria, and break down 15 clear reasons why business beats government work. Let's go on this journey together. But before I begin, please, I will appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me to continue spread this important lesson. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below this video and turn on the bell notification, like and share this video so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible next tomorrow and you don't miss any of my video this week. Now, let's get started. The government job dream, still worth it. In Nigeria, there is a popular dream. If I can just enter government, I am settled. But is that dream still valid in today's world? Let's break it down. Government salaries are fixed and often small. They don't grow with inflation, and they hardly reward hard work. Promotions are slow and many times based on who you know, not what you can do or how hardworking you are. Job security is no longer guaranteed. Government owns salary for months. Some agencies lay off workers during recruitment. You must obey rules strictly, even if the system is outdated or inefficient. Retirement is not always peaceful. Pensions are delayed or mismanaged. And let's be honest, thousands of people applied for one government job. Some wait 5, even 10 years. Some never get it. So, while you are waiting in line, others are growing, building, and creating something new. The truth is simple. Government work may bring stability, but it rarely brings freedom or wealth. Let me repeat myself. Government work may bring stability, but it rarely brings freedom or wealth. And if you want more than just survival, you must think beyond civil servant. Now, who is Aliko Dangote? Let's meet African richest man, Aliko Dangote, born into a family of traders. Dangote didn't just relax on family wealth. He took action early. At just 21 years old, he borrowed 500,000 naira from his uncle, not to buy a car or live large, but to start a trading business. He began with basic needs, basic goods Nigerians need every day: cement, sugar, and rice. He understood one powerful truth: if you solve basic problems for many people, you will never be broke. Dangote didn't need shortcuts, a government appointment, a political connection. He built with sweet, smartness, and strong energy. Today, Dangote runs the biggest cement company in Africa. He built the largest oil refinery on the continent. He employs over 30,000 people. He impacts millions of lives through business. What youths can learn? Here are the lessons you can learn as youth. 1. Don't wait. Start with what you have. 2. Your first capital might be borrowed. Use it wisely. 3. Focus on solving problems, not just chasing trends. And 4. If you want to be rich, solve real needs. Dangote once said, "I built a conglomerate and became the richest black man in the world in 2008, but it didn't happen overnight." If you are still watching this video and finding this insight valuable, please type yes in the comment section below and let me know you are here. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my video next tomorrow. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, like, and share helps me motivated and continue creating more real life story like this. Now, let's move forward. The Otedola story, building from vision. Now, let's move to another Nigerian billionaire, Femi Otedola. Many people know him as Wave Oil Margaret or DJ Couple Dad, but very few know his real business journey. Otedola observed one major issue in Nigeria: power supply. So, what did he do? He started Xenon Oil. He invested in 40 Oil. He expanded into power generation and energy solution. He didn't wait to be appointed ministers of energy. He took action. He studied the industry. He took risk, faced failure, made comeback. What makes Otedola stand out? This is what makes Otedola to stand out. He is a visionary. He acts fast with clarity, and he diversifies oil, shipping, power. He also believes in youth empowerment. He provides scholarship. He supports startup, and he even speaks about growth. Just like Dangote, Otedola never depended on government payroll. Otedola once said, "I knew I couldn't build wealth waiting for someone to pay me." I repeat myself again, said by Otedola, "I knew I couldn't build wealth. I could not build wealth waiting for someone to pay me." Here are the 15 reasons entrepreneurship beats government jobs. Let's break it all down, clear and simple. 1. Unlimited earning potential. Government salary is fixed, but business income grow with your effort. Number 2, You create jobs for others. Start a business, and you don't just feed yourself, you will also employ others. Number 3, you control your time. No 8 to 4, no clocking. You work smart, not just hard. Number 4, you build real wealth. Business produce products. Profit buys land, build houses, and leaves legacy. Number 5, you leave a legacy. Your kids can inherit your company. Government job ends at retirement. Number 6, you make bigger impact. One bakery can feed 1,000 families. One fashion brand can support dozens of homes. Number 7, you grow personally. Business forces you to think better, lead better, and communicate better. Number 8, you become creative. Solving real problems makes you sharper and more innovative. 9, you choose your path. No office politics, no waiting for promotion letters. You create your lane. Number 10, you take charge of destiny. No HR officer control your life. You hold the steering wheel yourself. Number 11, you adapt and innovate. While government is slow to change, entrepreneurs move fast. Number 12, you can start small. Start small with a token. The key is just to start. Number 13, you attract opportunities. Investors don't found dreamer, they found doers. Number 14, you get recognized. People love to support creators. You earn respect by creating job. And number 5, which is the last one here, you find fulfillment. Nothing feels better than building from zero and seeing results. 2 inspiring stories from real youth. Here is the first story. Tunde the tailor. Tunde graduated in 2018, spent 2 years applying for government jobs. Nothing. He borrowed 20,000, bought fabric, made 2 shirts, posted online. Order came, more people called. Today, Tunde runs a shop with 3 apprentices. He earns over 400,000 monthly. He exports clothes to UK. Tunde said, if I waited for a job, I still be broke and hungry. Now I employed people. Here is the second story. Blessing the food boss. Blessing loved cooking. After NYSC, no job came. She started selling food to local workers. First day, 5 packed. Next week, 15 packed. 1 month later, 40 packs daily. She bought a bike, hired 2 delivery staff, created an Instagram page. Today, she owns a kitchen in Abuja, feed offices, caters events. Her word is this: my business feeds family. I started with firewood and pots. If you are still watching this video and find this insight valuable, please type yes in the comment section below and let me know you are here. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my video next tomorrow. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe and like helps me motivated and continue creating more real life business story like this. Now let's move forward. But I have nothing. This is some of the complaint people do give. This is the most common excuses from people, but here is the truth. You don't need money, you need mindset. Offer a service, barbing, cleaning, tailoring, sell something, egg, shift, snacks, use your skill, teach, write and bake, learn online, free video everywhere, work under someone, gain experience, start where you are, grow. Dangote started with a loan. Otedola failed before he succeeded. You just need to begin. Government jobs are not evil, but they are limited. Let's be honest with ourselves. Government job has value. It has stability, prestige, and structure. But ask yourself, will it unlock your full potential? Can you create wealth from it? Can you make global impact from a desk? For most people, the answer is capital no. So, use your 20s to build. Use your 30s to scale. And use your 40s to teach. Final word from Dangote and Otedola. Let's return to where we began. They didn't wait for luck. They created chances. They focused on value. They built system. Today, they are global icons and they have given back, supporting young people. So, the question is, will you build or will you wait? Conclusion: you were not born to be a builder. Remember this. You were not born to wait in line. You were not born to beg for a paycheck. You were born to lead, born to build, born to create. You don't know that? Government jobs may give peace, but entrepreneurs give purpose, power, and prosperity. Dangote created solution. Otedola created energy. Now, it is your time to create something powerful. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Just start something this week, because the future of this nation is not in the hands of job seekers. It is in the hands of job creators, and that creator is no one else but you. Yes, that creator is you. Comment below. What small business or hustle can you start this month? If you find this video powerful, like the video, share the video to your uncle or your sister, and subscribe to this channel. Let's build a future where Nigeria youth no longer wait for job, but create jobs. You were born to lead, so go out there and lead. Here is an important question for you. Who is the government? You are the government of yourself. So, govern your life and take good care of yourself. Bye for now.